As I walked into this office today morning, I think one of the thing that excited me was the amount of space that we have here, and the fact that we are all going to be, accommodated in one floor, and it's going to be so much more simple to walk across and talk to people and have great conversations. So I believe that this is just the beginning. We are going to get into a lot of great conversations, and ultimately deliver a lot of great value to our esteemed customers. So looking forward to working as one big team, and also having a lot of fun as we deliver to our customers.
The new office is having a very good infrastructure. The internet connectivity is also good comparatively, and then working here is like very good for me. It's very spacious also, and I would look forward to working here as well. Thank you.
Really interesting in terms of where we are today. I do remember a few years ago we had an office which was one floor, but that was much smaller than what it is today. And looking at the people who have come in today after being in Suryodaya for such a long time, seeing the way they feel proud that this space is so great, it's an amazing feeling. And I walked around, talked to so many people today. Even on Friday, some of us were here and we were talking about how teams will see it, what they will have, and really excited to see everyone being in one place on the same floor, being able to meet and talk to each other. Already had some great conversations today about some new projects, about some new revenues. So I think that's what this is all about, a new chapter in Impelsys life.
Yeah, I feel this new office is very good. Infrastructure is very nice. It's good.
I'm super excited to be part of the new office, and as you can see where I'm sitting, I found myself a very cozy corner, great view outside, and it's really nice to see everybody around and all of us sitting together, which is such a great thing. Right next to us, there is a lot of place for us to collaborate. There are some tables where we can stand and work. This helps with your exercise and your fitness as well. So, super excited to be part of the new office and meeting everybody. Yeah, so much to look forward to. So, thank you.
It's really nice actually. We are enjoying the environment and friends, all our teammates. All our friends are. We are all in the same floor. Earlier we don't have this. I mean, it's very congested. Now it's very. We are feeling some positive environment, and people also happy. Whatever I feel.
This is my first day at the office, and I find it quite expansive. A lot of space, a lot of meeting rooms actually, and colorful. Yeah, so I'm excited to explore the rest of the office and the other facilities that will be there. Thanks.